Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of Apple rumors, focusing on the highly anticipated update for the iPad mini. The current generation was introduced back in September 2021 and hasn't seen an update since. So what's next for the iPad mini? Stick around to find out about the rumored new display, faster performance, and more exciting features. Let's start with the display. The next generation iPad mini is rumored to have an improved display to address the infamous jelly scrolling issue. This problem occurs when one half of the display refreshes noticeably slower than the other, creating a wobble effect. Apple is reportedly changing the screen assembly direction to minimize this flaw. However, the new iPad mini 7 will still have a 60 Hz LCD screen. Now, on to performance. The current iPad mini runs on the A15 Bionic chip, but rumors suggest the new model will feature the A16 Bionic chip. Even more exciting, recent code leaks hint at the possibility of the A17 chip, promising even faster performance. Additionally, the iPad mini Uni 7 will support Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring top-notch connectivity. What other changes can we expect? According to sources, the new iPad mini 7 will come in new colors, adding to the current options of purple, starlight pink, and space gray. An upgraded camera is also rumored, though details remain scarce. So, when can we expect the new iPad mini? Both Bloomberg's Mark Gurman and analyst Ming-Chi Kuo suggest a release later this year. Looking further ahead, Apple plans to introduce advanced OLED displays to the iPad mini, though this is still years away. What do you think about these potential updates? Are you excited about the iPad mini 7? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. Peace out.